Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, Precious Bliss channel, aka LNA Bliss. I changed it a little while ago. This video is going to be about a cleanser drink. Yes, I said it, a cleanser drink with all these that you see here added in 1 cup. Okay, why am I doing this video about cleanser drink? Well, there's a lot of stuff going on about losing weight or just losing belly fat. Keeping your weight, keeping those thighs, those hips, and just really focusing on your stomach. A lot of Americans, United States of America, are fat in the middle. We're just heavy set in the middle. It's the stomach area. It's the upper trunk. So, to get rid of your, what do you call them on the sides? Your love me handles or your back fat with your belly fat. I mean, if you have belly fat, you have back fat. I just want to share this drink with you guys that I actually saw on another video. I did substitute the lemon. You're actually supposed to have a real live lemon with the white skin inside this cup, but I'm gonna substitute it for lemon juice. I just started this drink just last night. I have belly fat. So I don't know, if you see me, I probably look about 2 to 3 months pregnant. I don't know, I just I need to get rid of this belly fat. I just had a baby. He's 16 months. His name is Micah. You've probably seen him in other videos. And I need to get rid of this baby fat. So it's my arms, it's my thighs, but you know what? I'm going to focus on my stomach right now. So this is a cleanser. Literally, your liver is supposed to get rid of the toxins in your body. Your liver, I don't know if you guys are aware of your liver functions, but the liver does a lot for your body. And with this is just going to help boost what your liver already does in regards to cleaning your body, getting rid of waste and everything of that nature. So here you have ground ginger, ground cinnamon, honey, or you can get actually organic honey. This is just honey. This is just regular honey. This isn't organic or natural honey. This is found at your local Walmart or, grocery store. This is matcha powder, which is basically fine ground green tea. You can use it for cooking, baking, or smoothie, as you can see here. This is the lemon juice, and these are my measuring instruments here. So, as I stated before, I'm substituting the lemon for lemon juice. You need a real live lemon. Cut it in half and use that. Just plop it in. You're going to plop it in the blender, okay? You're going to use half a lemon. Plop it in your blender, okay? After the lemon, you're going to use, let's see here. One teaspoon. You see that? You're going to use 1 teaspoon, which is 5 milliliters. I love this because it has the actual measurements underneath. So you're going to use 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, okay, which is finely ground green tea powder. Okay, it's definitely green, just like that. 1 teaspoon of that. With your honey, I just wait till it comes upside down. Once it comes to the base, I just go ahead and squeeze and I count to 10. Okay, you could do 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I wouldn't say Mississippi too slow, but I would just do it for 10 seconds. It actually is perfect, squeezing it for just 10 seconds. So for your ground cinnamon and your ground ginger, you're going to do focus, a half of teaspoon, okay, which is 2.5 milliliters. You're going to do a half a teaspoon, TSP, okay? Not TBSP, that's tablespoon. You're going to do half a teaspoon. It's as small as this yellow one here. Okay, so that's a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and ground ginger. Okay, so after all that is in, basically 1 cup of water. I use these bottles here for drinking water. So these bottles are 16.9 floor ounces. So I would just use half the bottle or 8-ounce cup. If you don't have an 8-ounce cup around, I would use half of a 16.9 floor ounce bottle. That would be your 1 cup of water. Okay? So, if you are going to substitute the lemon for lemon juice, I would pour about 1/8 cup, which is 30 milliliters of lemon juice inside your 8-ounce cup. You're going to put it in a blender, okay? You're going to set your blender on high and you're going to liquefy. Of course, it's already a liquid, but that's what you're going to do, okay? Don't mind my dishes in the sink. I got to get to that soon. Okay, so you're going to blend it. Blend it for about 10 seconds, no longer than 10 seconds. As I stated before, you can say 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, just not saying Mississippi so slowly. And it's perfect after that. Drink it before you go to bed. And drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach when you wake up. Do not eat or drink anything else. Drink this before you go to bed and when you wake up. Plus, you want to also exercise. You want to also stay hydrated. You can eat, but make sure you have a good diet. Also, you don't want to eat a drive-thru burger and then come drink this. It's like you're doing nothing. You want to eat healthy. You want to drink this before you go to bed and when you wake up. Also, I was going to say, by extremecurves.com, I had ordered a waist trainer. You can use your waist trainer with this. Under your waist trainer, I would apply either coconut oil or Vicks, because it actually works. Wrap it up with saran wrap. Apply your waist trainer. Do cardio for 20 minutes. And, make sure you're focusing on your core, on your back or your sides, and do it for at least 20 to 30 minutes a day. And then see where it gets you. I'm going to do this for at least 7 days and see where it gets me. Just started today. So I was going to record this every day, but I don't believe I have enough memory in my phone to do that. But as I stated, I will show the before and after while staying hydrated. I bought my big Poland Spring. Whew, this is crazy. I'm supposed to drink this in 1 day. Look at that. 3 liters, guys. 3 liters. I'm at 142 pounds, 5'2" or 5'3" in height. I was told I need at least 3 liters of water a day. So this is my 3 liters. And you see the top is still on. I haven't even begun. So stay hydrated, work out, waist train, eat healthy, try this drink. Hopefully it works. By the end of the 7th day, I will show you a before and after. And I will still let you guys know again, if you haven't seen this video and are just watching the last video, I will tie in both links so you guys can understand, if you're new to this channel, that this is what I have accomplished. So, I hope this works for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. And balance is bliss. All right. Stay tuned to my next video. Hope you guys liked it. Bye-bye.